Alright guys, so welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I'll show you how to connect LinkedIn to Claude AI in 2026. So whether you're creating LinkedIn posts, writing professional articles, optimizing your profile, or improving your networking strategy, using Claude alongside LinkedIn can help create better content and save a lot of time. So by the end of this, you will know how to use Claude AI together with LinkedIn to create posts, improve your profile, write personalized messages, and streamline your professional workflow. Alright guys, so the first step we're going to be taking is signing into LinkedIn. So make sure you have a LinkedIn account. If you do not, please create one and just follow through with your Google account or your Apple ID to sign in. All right, so we're going to be using a feature on Claude. But before that, you have to understand that Claude supports connectors, which allows you to work with information from supported apps and services directly inside Claude. That is what connectors are. Now, if LinkedIn is available as a connector for your Claude account, you can connect it in just a few steps. So we are in Claude, so head into Customize, click on Connectors here, use the Add option and click on Browse Connectors. So we're going to be searching for a simple connector, which in this case would be LinkedIn. So go ahead and type in LinkedIn, and we should see the linked in option. If you do not find LinkedIn here, then that means it isn't available. So if LinkedIn appears, you can click on connect, sign into your LinkedIn account if prompted to, review the requested permission and allow. Now, what you should expect after this is once connected, Claude will be able to use information from your authorized LinkedIn account according to the permissions you've granted. So if you don't see LinkedIn on the list, the connector may not be available for your account or for your region. But LinkedIn is supported on Claude. That is all you need to know. LinkedIn is actually available and supported on Claude. All right, so with that out of the way, all we need to do now is using Claude to create LinkedIn content. So one of the biggest advantages of using Claude with LinkedIn is creating professional content much faster. So just head straight into new chat, click on new chat here, and in the prompt box, just go ahead and enter a prompt. Now you might be wondering what the prompt is, but a prompt is a set of instructions that the AI follows to the letter. All we need to do now is just go ahead and put in the prompts like create a LinkedIn post about AI trends in 2026. And then Claude will generate polished content that you can edit before posting. So just go ahead and hit enter on your computer and watch Claude perform. Now going to after that, we are going to be improving your LinkedIn profile. So Claude can help optimize different sections of your LinkedIn profile. Just copy your profile headline or about section, paste it into Claude, and then ask Claude to improve the headline or review or rewrite your about section. Make your profile sound more professional, optimize your profile for recruiters, and improve your work experience descriptions. Claude can do all of that and more. Now, you might also ask it to review suggestions and copy the ones you like back into LinkedIn. So, this is what Claude went with as a post for LinkedIn. And once you've signed into your LinkedIn account, you can just go ahead and begin posting. But like I said, just go over to your profile, click on your profile first. Once you've clicked on it, you can just go ahead and add an about section or head into the about and customize it for yourself. So all you need to do here is just go ahead and click on add section, and on the profile you can add an about. If your about is empty, you can now use this opportunity to make use of Claude to write an about pertaining to your skill set and what you do. So let's just go ahead and copy this and ask it to create an about for this particular profile. All right, so I went ahead to tell it to write an about for this profile, a content creator, video editor, tutorial creator, and more. Just go ahead and click on enter. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be posting this on LinkedIn. You can just go ahead and copy it directly or just click on copy at the top here. And this is the about section tailored to this. So we can just copy this out and just click on copy, head back to LinkedIn, click on add section here, and then add an about section. So go ahead and use the Control key and V to paste that in, and then click on save. So I have successfully created an about section for myself, for my account. And if you scroll through, you should see that just here. All right, so another thing we can do, like I said, is to post what we just created. So we can come here, head into the drafts, and just go ahead and remove this. So we can still keep this here, but just go ahead and copy what we have from LinkedIn on Claude and just use the Control key and V, and boom, it's in. So just go ahead and post that. All right, and voila, our post was successful. So besides that, there are a few things you can do, such as writing better messages on Claude through Claude and LinkedIn. All right, so as I stated earlier, you can still use Claude to write powerful messages, even personalized messages in the LinkedIn message section. So all you need to do to get this going is just tell Claude to write a follow up message, draft a networking message, or a recruiter response message. You can basically ask Claude to write anything. So let's take an example of this. Let's head into messaging. So when you open up messaging, you can find a few things like LinkedIn for marketing, and we can just base our text or our prompt off that. So, how does that look? So, I went with write a response to a marketing proposal from LinkedIn. So, let's just go ahead and send that in, and Claude will begin working on that. Alternatively, you can still publish more content. So once your content is ready and it's time to publish, you can return to LinkedIn and click on post and you can post it. Now, the best practices to actually get the best results when using Claude with LinkedIn is to keep a few tips in mind, such as reviewing the AI generated content before posting, adding your own experience and insights, keeping your posts authentic and not virtual or machine, and also keeping your posts grounded. Personalize your networking messages and avoid posting AI related content without editing it. These small adjustments can make your content feel more genuine and engaging. All right, guys. So once it's done with this, we can just go ahead and copy this out, head back into LinkedIn, click on the messages, and just respond. All right, so that's how you can basically connect your LinkedIn account to Claude. It's really that easy and it's that quick. So comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.